Welcome. Now, this is Noble. So we'll go to NLP. What is NLP? Natural language processing. Okay, NLP allows machines to read, understand human language. That is the first basic concept. What is NLP? It understands the human language, and as we have already discussed, that AI wants to mimic environment, things, all the touching things of human life, and also understands human. So it wants to understand 360 so that it can optimize. Okay, so here NLP is used for understanding human language. A sufficiently powerful neural language processing system would enable neural language users interface and the acquaintance of knowledge directly from human written source, such as new swear text. Okay, this is how it is used in such as new swear text. Some straightforward application of neural language processing includes text mining, that is the application of a neural language, information retrieval, question answering, machine translation. Many current approaches use word co-occurrence frequency to construct synthetic representation of text, key words spotting. Okay, strategies for search are popular and scalable but dumb. Okay, then a search query for dog might only match document with the literal word dog. This misses the document with the word populate. Okay, then lexical affinity strategy is used to occurrence of words such as ancient to assesses and sentiment of a document. Okay, then modern statistical NLP approach can be combined all these strategies as well as others, and often achieve acceptable accuracy at the page or paragraph level. Okay, so beyond semantic NLP, the ultimate goal of narrative NLP is to embody a full understanding of common sense's reasoning. Then there is another concept in keyword spotting. By 2019, transformer-based deep learning architect could generate coherent text. This is all about how NLP function. Thank you so much.